adventures. We have here, okay, old white dress. So I like her material. There, it's a little stretchy, but it's nice. It's a nice material. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a simple white dress again with this material, and then we're going to try to make it a little fashionable, because just like what you've watched on the previous videos, white is the color of the year. Opo. White and silvery or gray, metallic colors actually. So we have here our fashion royalty, Divine Luminous, and she's going to be our model for the dress making. Yes, so you can see here, this is the one I like. There's zipper, an invisible zipper. Sayang naman kasi, it's a waste if we do not use this part of the dress. After all, it has already been cut. See? Okay, so let's try to make it. Let's go! So, ito na po. Nakat na natin yung pattern natin. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, tatahiin na lang natin using white thread. And then, maliit na karayom yung gagamitin ko para talaga siyang tahing makina. Pero, I'm going to sew it by hand. Just going to make very small stitches, okay, to make it look like we're using the sewing machine. Yes, because the cloth material is really stretchy. Stretchy. So it would be nice to really sew it, with little stitches. Yes, with little stitches. So ganun na lang. Okay? So we'll try to sew the first part here. So madikit natin yung part here. Okay? And then later on, we'll try to check if we can connect this one here, so that we can have the sleeves. Now the sleeves here is very wide because I'm not sure yet how I will make the sleeves. So one step at a time. Okay? So ito na po, tapos na po natin tahiin ang ating simpleng long gown. Opo. So nakikita ninyo, stretchable po kasi yung kanyang material, kaya madali lang nating nahulma. So ayan o, nakita nyo yan. So, okay, yun ang problema lang po sa mga stretchable na ganito. Pag tinahin nyo, paminsan nagkakaroon ng ganyan kaya hindi siya talaga straight. Unless kain nyo siya ng di makina, yes, you use your sewing machine, it would look better. But because I am sewing by hand, tahing kamay po, so ganyan. So ayan, ganyan siya ka-sexy, diba? So ma-fit ninyo yung kanyang huggies. So she's very beautiful. So for the end point po, I just used the candle. So apoy lang yan kasi I prefer to make it look like that. So more like a Morticia Adams cut ng skirt. And then here, of course, because we want this part of the dress, we recycled. So that's it, looking nice, diba? So if I'm going to open it up, I just use the zipper. Yeah, diba? See, it's easy to open by zipper. And then there, okay, yun na. So looking good, okay, like that. And then for the sleeves, okay, I just folded yung excess tela kanina, and then ayun sew it by hand. Opo, tahing kamay lang yan. Okay, so when you're sewing by hand, you have to make sure small stitches so that it will look like it was sewn by a sewing machine. Right? Yeah, so she looks beautiful. So I think Divine Luminous is very happy. Yes, I'm so happy. We recycled the 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 cloth. Yes, so there you have it. She's looking really regal with her nice long dress from our recycled stretchy white cloth.